Every year, approximately 10 million tons of plastic end up in our oceans, polluting all regions from the equatorial zones to the polar ice caps. These plastics accumulate in vast areas known as gyres, with notable examples like the Great Pacific Garbage Patch and similar phenomena developing in smaller bodies like the Mediterranean and North Seas. Contrary to popular belief, these patches are not solid islands, but rather dense concentrations of plastic debris, primarily comprising microplastics. These microplastics pose a significant threat as they enter the marine food chain, the effects of which on marine life and human health remain largely unknown. The Ocean Cleanup, initiated by Boy and Slat, and based in the Netherlands, addresses the challenge of removing this plastic. However, the task has been daunting due to previous uncertainties about the exact quantity of plastics and the inefficiency of methods to pinpoint the most polluted areas. To tackle these issues, the Ocean Cleanup launched extensive research operations, including the Mega Expedition and aerial surveys, which revealed vast quantities of plastics far exceeding initial estimates. Despite the success in identifying the scope of pollution, the high costs and logistical challenges of such methods prompted a shift towards technological solutions. In partnership with entities like the European Space Agency and Airbus, the Ocean Cleanup ventured into using satellite imagery for more efficient detection, focusing on large debris and ghost nets as indicators of high plastic concentrations. While promising, this approach faced obstacles such as biofouling and the requirement for high-resolution hyperspectral imaging, which remains beyond current commercial capabilities. Despite these hurdles, the initiative has spurred technological advancements, including the deployment of cameras on vessels and leveraging deep learning algorithms to identify floating debris. These efforts signify a critical shift towards more sophisticated and scalable methods for ocean plastic detection and removal. As the Ocean Cleanup continues to refine these technologies, their work represents a beacon of innovation in the fight against oceanic plastic pollution. The journey from vast manual expeditions to high-tech satellite and AI-driven solutions underscores the evolving strategies in tackling this global environmental crisis. Find more information about the role of satellites in detecting ocean pollution in the Geoawesome article.